I was here to capture the sunset and it was absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed that. It's a beautiful view. Maybe you don't have any free time to go out and explore, but I bet if you go out for a sunset, you're gonna love it. You're gonna feel so blessed and privileged just to have that view in front of you. Absolutely amazing. Thank God for that. So last minute, I've decided to come and shoot the sunset. I couldn't take any pictures, but I've done some videos for you guys. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Bless you. Sorry, buddy.
Oh, sorry, is there something there?
That's right, no worries, mate. Just taking some pictures, sunsets and all that.
Oh, nice, yeah, it's a great spot, isn't it?
It is, lovely, isn't it? It's okay.
Oh, well, yeah, all right.
My drone's gonna land. Hello, buddy.
Oh, yeah, I'll take
Unfortunately,
that.
unfortunately, I can't stop it because it's low battery on it.
No, it's fine, I'll get them away, don't
Sorry,
worry.
no worries, sorry about that, mate. Cheers for that.
No worries, have a good night.
Appreciate it. You too, mate. Cheers, buddy.
Come on. Come on.
Oh gosh, scared me. I got it. Cheers. Sorry, buddy. Thank you. See you later. Oh, bless you.